Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a mini Dollar Tree haul. So it's definitely mini, it's unexpected. I honestly forgot the products that I purchased. I have a massive Dollar Tree haul coming soon. So that's basically where all of my products have been living. But this one here is a little newer. However, I haven't had a chance to film it, but here we are. Anyway, who cares, right? I do have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is going to be down below. I film these types of videos all the time. Dollar Tree hauls, girl. I live at Dollar Tree. We also do ranking videos. We do full faces, which I need to get back in here and start using the products that I'm purchasing. I know. I hear the comments that are saying, I cannot wait to see you try them on. And then I'm like, then it just kind of like escapes my mind to film the video. So I need to do full faces a little more often. But I know you guys live for a haul. So if you want to see the products that I purchased, just keep on watching. So I just have a little miscellaneous moment here. These are from Marshall's. Just kind of want to throw them in the beginning just to show you guys. I forgot that they were mixed in here. We have the Nail Bliss Salon Gel Nails. These are so cute, and these are in long. Also, it does come with a glue in here, which I'm not going to use, girl. But this was $4.99 at Marshall's, and I thought this color is like a periwinkle kind of moment. Is stunning, and whenever I feel the vibes when I want to use them, these are beautiful. It's like a blue purple moment, very cute. I also did go ahead and purchase this, but I don't know if they're cute or not. So these are the Spa Life Pretty in Pink under eye mask, and they're shaped like little bows, but we'll see how they look on the actual face. But these were $4.99. It does come with a pack of 6 in here, so we're gonna see how these work. Honestly, I kind of want to let's get in here and see them, right? Why not? Oh my god. Okay. They're so cute. I thought it was gonna be like this. I was a little scared. I was like, girl, am I gonna like, it's gonna take up the whole like face or whatever? No. That is so cute. Oh my goodness gracious. And there's like liquid in there. They're gonna be nice and juicy. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That is so cute. I could have used one today. I did a get ready with me for date night, which is I'm gonna be going out tonight with Chris. So I could have used this for that video. I used my Shop My Stash makeup. How sad, but girl, these are so cute. So again, it comes with a pack of 6. So it says on the back to leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes. These are adorable, girl. Yes. If I see more, I'm definitely gonna buy them. These are adorable. Oh my god. So a pack of 6 for $4.99. Yes. Let's get into the Dollar Tree stuff. So first product I came across was this Power Serum. So this is from Global Beauty Care, and it says it has 6 benefits in one. It's meant to refine texture, even tone, firm, hydrate, smooth, and brighten. I just bought it because it's pink. It's pretty much, you know, what the vibe is. Also because it was new. So I was like, girl, let's try it out. It's pinky vibes. It's giving. So let's see. It gives you the ingredients on the back. It also does have hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, ceramides, peptides, retinol, collagen. It tells you how to use it, and it gives you a little warning on it as well. So it does come with a little dropper moment. It smells very clean, like very skincare vibes. So put some on my hand. It feels really nice and cooling. Oh, almost. Oh, okay, it is a serum. I was gonna say it's serum-y. Yeah. Ew, I do have oily skin, so I don't tend to really gravitate too much to like oils on my actual face because, girl, I produce natural oils. But it's good to add oils and hydrate your face even when you have oily skin. So I cannot wait to use this on the skin and see my thoughts and what it does. But it looks really intriguing. Really glad that I came across this product. Have you used it? Let me know please in the comments down below. Do you love, do you hate? Let me know. So this is more like miscellaneous product. I came across this Disney Princess Live for Now moisturizing lip gloss. So you guys know I've been into buying the little princess lip glosses and the villains lip glosses. I have a whole collection, so I was not gonna purchase this lip gloss, so I went ahead and bought this one as well. And how cute is this packaging? Obviously the packaging is cute, but also the same pictures on the actual gloss, which is adorable. Let's go ahead and open this. There's a look at the gloss. How cute. This color is really pretty too. No smell. Ooh. There's a look at that shade. That's cute. Living. I have a feeling I already purchased this product, and yet again it ended up in my bag. But this is the LA Colors moisturizing lip gloss in the shade Dreamy Pink. I think I already have this in my collection. I'm still gonna open it because, girl, I'm still gonna use it. It's pink, it's sparkly vibes, you know. I was really trying to get myself together because I have a lot of glosses in this haul, and I was like, it was gonna be way more, girl. I had to leave some things behind. There's a swatch of the LA Colors gloss. It's just beautiful, and these smell amazing. If you haven't tried them yet, girl, they're amazing. They have different colors. If you're not into pink, they have like a white one. They have different ones. They have like a red one and stuff, so check them out because they're actually really good. I also came across this Beauty Intuition hydrating lip gloss in red. I'm telling you, this one specifically had so many other colors, and I almost brought a lot of them with me, but I was like, let's settle for red because it's just classic. I don't have a lot of red glosses, so I did go ahead and bring the red one with me, and it says love your lips. It has a nourishing formula, buildable color, lasting moisturizer, okay, and all day wear. Beauty Intuition, girl, they have a lot of things at Dollar Tree from Beauty Intuition. This is giving rare beauty. It's giving all the vibes with a little ball on the end. So let's, oh wow, I like that the doe foot's kind of long. Oh, holy pigment, girl, I was not expecting. What? That's stunning. Doesn't smell like anything but, girl, live for the doe foot, live for the packaging, and the color is beautiful, and it's like a blue, yeah, blue based red almost. It's like virgin on orange undertone vibes, but it looks beautiful. So cannot wait to try this out as well. Since we are sticking to the lip gloss theme, let's just get these out of the way. I'm telling you, it was like a lip gloss galore. These are so cute. If you know, you know, I've been into lips lately. I just love everything lips. I love, I had like the pair of lips up here, but I went ahead and moved them. I just love lips. I have a bunch of lip pillows now. Lips, I just love them. All right, so this is the Beauty Intuition hydrating and nourishing lip gloss. So I went ahead and bought two. There was like 4 shades in total, but I went ahead and bought light nude and also this mauve shade. So I was like, girl, you do not need all the other shades, but how cute are those? Oh, and the packaging is like matte. I love that it actually has the brand on there. Sometimes they tend to not do that. Oh, but I feel like this is going to be pigmented too. Oh, there's a mauve. Love the pink moment. And then we have light nude. Again, their packaging looks matte vibes. Let's see, nude. Okay, cutesy. There's a look at the other one, pink, and then the nude. They are a squeezy tube moment, in case you're wondering. So let me get this out of the way. This is the, where are you from? Beauty Intuition Love My Nails nail polish, and I've mentioned that these don't really work for me. They're not the greatest nail polishes in the world, to be honest, but they got me with the lips. I'm telling you, I'm obsessed with lips right now, and this is giving Valentine's galore. So I was like, girl, I need this. $125, and I love the little like heart candies. That's so cute. What got me were the little lip prints on there. How adorable is that, girl? That's so cute. Living for that. The actual color is really cute as well. It's a pinky moment, but the lips is why I purchased it. This is from Marie Claire Paris. So this is called their eyebrow and hairline powder medium to dark product. So you guys know I get a lot of white hair, so if I can use a powder, why not? I'm really into sprays as of lately, specifically the L'Oreal one. No, or is it Maybelline? No, L'Oreal one. This is also talc free. I just noticed it says that, but I'm really into sprays, but if I can do a powder, why not? It also says you can use it on your eyebrows as well, and if it's not too pigmented, I can use that as a bronzer, so that's why I bought it. Ooh, how cute. Okay, there's a look at that product. Let's go ahead and swatch these. You get a total of 3 shades in here. Ooh, okay, there's a look at those. So we'll see how that works. Should I swatch them? I'm a little scared it's gonna stain me. Oh, yeah, I don't know if they're gonna work as bronzers, but yeah, for sure for the hairline, they're like really nice and like thin feeling. Interesting. Okay, cute. I also did go ahead and pick up one of the highlight palettes that I came across. Girl, I almost bought both. but I didn't need them. So I found the Kleancolor Mermaid Gleam 2 palette. There was also number 1, which is all light tones. This is a prismatic highlight palette. I don't think I have any more of these types of palettes in my collection because I did declutter them. But I was like, girl, this is Dollar Tree vibes. You know, they never carry this. So I went ahead and purchased this, which again, prismatic colors. Look at how beautiful those are. So I needed it. And they look really cute and promising. Cannot go wrong with anything you get at Dollar Tree. A lot of the products are amazing. So there's a look at the swatches. Lastly, I came across some new eyeshadow palettes. So we have the Mary Claire Total Face palette in Smoky Delight, and then we have Natural Charm. So did I need both? No, but I was like, girl, we can do a day and night look or something. So again, this is the one in their like neutral tones. I love the packaging as well. $125 at Dollar Tree. And then we have the smoky one. And these are both talc free as well. There's a look at both palettes. There's the neutral one. It does come with some highlights in here as well. Let me go ahead and open it. How cute. There's a look at the neutral one. Love. So it does come with a blush and a highlight, but this is not going to be a blush for me, girl. Both of them look like highlights to me, and then we get the eyeshadows in the center. There's a look at this one here, which you do get a contour shade and you get a highlight. So this is definitely going to be, ooh, a fun one to use as well. Love. So that was actually the last product in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget that I do have a playlist down below. So if you want to check that out, you want to check out my other videos, definitely do. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.